Yo, YouTube! As you guys saw from the intro shot, it is snowing outside. So that means we are going outside to have some fun. So we're gonna go take the car for a spin right now, the daily. We'll meet up with a friend. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. I have this GoPro from Milan. So thanks Milan for the GoPro. I will be mounting that on my head so that you guys have like a little point of view footage or what else. So I hope you guys will enjoy it and I'll see you guys over there. Let's see what the snow gives us today. Slippery, I'd say. Look at this dude. Man, you're crazy. Riding the bike. No fucking way. On the steps, my guys, what are you doing? Okay, so we have arrived at a little parking here. There's also a fella here with an E30 and the girlfriend is sliding over there. So now we're gonna drive around a little bit and have some fun. So see you guys when I'm on the road. Whoa! Oh! Not much snow here because too much traffic, and much traffic means not much snow. I think we lost our girlfriend, or my girlfriend. Hey! Allee! Ja man, is een professional gaan. Hopla, hopla, hopla. Hup. Daar is die bulte weer. Ja, toen moet je niet draaien. Hopla. Oh, onderstuur. There's not much snow left here. That's very sad. That was deeper than I thought.
Ja, met een broodnat event. Zo, bedankt die copain. Dat is al een beetje eraf afkomen. Hoe noemen ze dat? Is van de even flik? Ja. Hopla.
Oh, dat mes. Dat ging mes.
Kan je even flik aan de haaskant zijn. Is er toch gebeurd misschien? Weet je, hè?
Nog hier een keer over of te leren. Tweede. Zet die ridder wel redelijk ver, hè?
Ja.
Oh, het ligt toch zo. Het zien al 6. Ik zag net een keer de sneeuw omhoog spetteren. Oei, ja. En die was hier tevoren ook.
Dat is toch?
Ja. Maar die man, ze vinden er dat sowieso ook niet erg, hè? Nou, nog eentje. Okay, so we have arrived at home. We had some fun drifting in the snow. I'm back home now, so think I'm gonna go to sleep because it's a work day tomorrow. That's something annoying because it snows in the middle of the fucking week, but that's how it is. You need to take it as it comes. Yeah, most of the snow is already gone. See, as you can see, it's not very much anymore. Most of it is already gone by cars going through. But it's snowing again right now, so normally it will snow like the whole night. So tomorrow morning when I go to work it will be fun, but yeah, it's like 15 minutes drive to my work and then work the whole day, and by the evening it will probably all be gone. So no more snow tomorrow, I guess. Maybe a little bit, but not very much anymore. Not enough to make another drift session thing. So this was it. I hope you enjoyed this small point of view drift thingy in the snow. I wish I could do this more, but I need to take it how it comes, the snow. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.